Can you see it? There's an owl in the tree. There's an owl. Quiet. Shh. Owl. Hey everybody, so today we're going to be talking about the diphthong sound ow. Ow is a combination of two sounds of a and u. The way we make that sound is that you start with the position of the mouth a bit forward. And its sound comes from the back of the throat. And you move through to the u. U. Ow. 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 Most of the ow words are not spelt phonetically, so you'll find ow spelt many different ways. But it is often and commonly spelt with the letters O or OU. Now let's look at some examples. Let's start with the OW spelling. K-ow, cow. N-ow, now. T-own, town. D-own, down. How now, brown cow? Little tongue twister for you just to try. Now let's have a look at the OU spelling. Out, out, out. House, house. House, house. Out, count. Out, count. Found, found. Found, found. Let's have a little practice in a sentence. Okay, are you ready? Listen to me. Mr. Brown found a mouse in the house. If that was me, I wouldn't be happy. I don't like mice. But let's try that again. Mr. Brown found a mouse in the house. The mouse made a loud squeaky sound. Let's try that again. The mouse made a loud squeaky sound. And again, if that was me, I wouldn't be happy, but I think the mouse isn't happy. So that's it for today. So till next time, I'll see you later. And don't forget, practice makes perfect. Bye.